Hi, my name is Julie Paulina Saez. I live in Bogota and study business administration. From my point of view, technology has affected the ecosystem for many years, since it contributes to the pollution of soil, water, and the atmosphere, global warming, increasing surface temperature, the reduction of the ozone layer, acid rain, and the reduction of biodiversity. We can see that the air is affected by vehicular pollution. Also, population growth and rapid urbanization are destroying the ecosystem, green areas, wetlands, and water sources. The need to have a house, schools, and universities affect the care of the environment. I thought the technology has generated many pollution effects. I think that future developments will be focused on the care on the ecosystem and environmental damage. If current trends continue, technology will provide the tools that can contribute to the decrease of the environmental temperature, care of the ecosystem, and degradation of lands. Citizens can take action to contribute to the care of the environment, such as recycling and garbage selection. To mitigate, we should not throw garbage on the road, take care of natural resources such as water, and use solar energy instead of artificial energy. It is necessary to take care of parks, green areas, or wetlands. Avoid the tree felling, deforestation, and forest fire. I recommend to care of our animals and plant biodiversity, rationally consuming each of our natural resources. In Colombia has been designed to Pico Placa program, which consists in reduced vehicular traffic day to day. Also, some factories are designing cars to gas or GLP that help to the care of the environment. However, I recommend to travel by bicycle or walk. If people don't change their habits and population growth, pollution will increase speedily. I also recommend do education campaigns in schools, teach children strategies to practice at home. For example, not smoke, recycling, and take care of the green areas of parks. Also, responsible use of the water and activities.